go, buddy.
Yo, this is
straight from the factory, man.
Mike the Puma with that exhaust, dude. He just whipped it out in the middle of a snowstorm. So stay tuned. We're gonna talk about the high performance Honda genuine exhaust system. What is going on, kid family? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, as you guys can see, it is not as sunny as I thought it would be, but it is about 50 degrees. From going from the polar vortex to go into this, beautiful, but it's too quick. That's what she told me. Anyway, this is the main point of the video, guys. This is my Civic LX 2007, and we got two mufflers here, and we're gonna go ahead, clean this up, take this out of the box, and I'm gonna go ahead, continue with this video. And this video, what we're gonna be talking about is, can you use an exhaust axleback from a coupe and put it on a sedan, or vice versa? So stay tuned and keep watching. All right, now I had a lot of people talking smack the last few videos I did about this axleback exhaust. We tried fixing this axleback many ways. We don't have a welder, so we tried to ghetto fix it with some caulking, with a beer can. Then we tried to fix it with JB Weld, seeing if JB Weld will hold. And we got roasted online. Sure, the video got a lot of views, but y'all ain't gotta be so mean. I got some feelings too, you know. Just kidding. But here we got a nicely original Honda factory exhaust. This muffler on the right is from a 2007 Psych. This one right here is from a 2011 Civic Coupe 2-door. It does have a little exhaust tip cover on it, which we will remove in a second, just to compare the sizes of these mufflers. We're going to mock these up together, and we're going to see if someone can use a coupe muffler and use it on their sedan, because this is my situation right now. I'm trying to fit this coupe muffler on my sedan so everything works and I don't have to hear this loud raspy car anymore. Although it sounds good without an exhaust. That axleback doesn't sound too bad, but we're losing low-end power, and it's just annoying to drive around town with it making all this noise. So let's become a little luxurious and let's mock this up, see the specs, the measurements, and then towards the end of the video we'll put it on the car and we'll see how it looks. I think you guys got hit because I'm so strong. Now, before we continue talking about the dimensions, I want to give a huge shout out to 8th Gen member I'm a Puma. He is a great guy. He actually hooked this exhaust up for me. He saw my videos. He saw a fellow 8th Gen member in a lot of pain and suffering from your comments that you guys left. So to change all that up, to make it a great day and be positive, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel, shall we? All right, now let's go ahead and talk about the dimensions here. I thought at first there's going to be a big difference between the Coupe and the SI. On the forums, people were saying that the pipe would be longer, and look at it, guys, just look at it. The tips look the same size, same shape. The body of both mufflers is identical. The only difference here is that my sedan pipe is just a hair shorter than the coupe pipe, but the reason is I did cut this pipe a few times, so it did lose a little bit of that metal in there. So overall the bends look very similar. if you want to take a closer look here, the bends look very similar, and I already did a quick test fit earlier and it seemed to work fine. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. We're going to put the Coupe exhaust on my sedan, we're going to install it, and then we're going to mock up the exhaust muffler tip. This is just a slip-on that goes over the tip. Let me guys know if we should run this. I'll install it, and leave a comment below. What do you guys think? I might run it, I might not. I'm not sure what I like yet, but let's go ahead and install the new Coupe muffler. So installation underneath the car is very simple. You pretty much put it directly on the resonator. You're gonna have 2 bolts that you're gonna mock up and you're good to go. Installation is over. So come on down here with me and I'll show you how it gets done. All right, as you can see, there is the resonator, and that piping is gonna go above the lower control arm here. You're gonna have 2 bushings right over here, and that's about it. We got the bolts, so let's go ahead and install the muffler. All right, job's well done. Now we're gonna go ahead and start this vehicle up. Make sure there's no exhaust leak coming out from this area where the gasket is. And other than that, we're finished from under here. So let's go back up. Nice and quiet. That's what I like to hear. We already feel all that air pressure coming out from here. Everything is working great so far. Exhaust is finally nicely centered in this oval exhaust cutout. And let's go take a look underneath one last time. All right, and everything looks great. So let's put on that exhaust tip and let's see how this thing really looks with that exhaust tip. Dang, look at that horsepower sticking out right there. Ooh, what do you guys think about that tip? Look at that. I'm just kidding. It goes a little bit further in. There we go. That's fully flush. Now I know my vinyl wrap is slightly coming off from the edges there. It's been wrapped for about good 5 to 7 years. It was my first time vinyl wrapping. It held up pretty good. Some of the spots are peeling. We'll have to touch that up. But in general, what do you guys think? It's not too bad, but I'm not really sure if I'm liking the chrome tip. It's got a little slight nice polished tip. I mean, just let me know. Let me know, is it better with this tip, or would it be better just a factory regular pipe? What do you guys think? And again, just to show you guys, the reason we're replacing this one is because look at this. Back in the day, I had a cool idea of how about we put a turbo whistler on the muffler, but don't put the turbo whistler at the end of it. Put it right here in between the piping so nobody can see I have a turbo whistler. Yes.
I was a rice burner, guys.
now we don't have to worry about that. We got a good functional exhaust. We have proven the theory that the Coupe exhaust will fit onto a 4-door sedan, guys, as you guys can see. And let me just quickly take you underneath here just to show you how everything is working. As you can see, hangers, everything's good. Everything's good. There's clearances all around. Nothing is touching. Lower control arm has plenty of room everywhere. So pretty much just like factory. Wait, what? Okay. Okay. All right, I'll let him know. All right, guys, so he just said, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. You know what? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, and I have affiliate links down below if you're interested in this exhaust or an SI muffler or a Honda factory performance muffler. So stay tuned, guys, and see ya.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along.